So just in 4 steps, let's directly get to the point that how you can track someone's exact location. So as there are only going to be 4 steps, so you need not to skip. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. So the very first step is you have to open up your YouTube application. Why YouTube? You'll just get to know in a second. So after opening the YouTube application, you have to copy the URL of any video appearing up. For example, let's tap on these 3 dots and tap this share button and copy the link of this video. So you are done with the very first step. Now moving towards the second step, you have to open Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, you have to go to Google and search here IP Logger and hit the search button. Now the very first website which appears up, which URL is iplogger.org, you have to go to this website. Keep in mind that we are proceeding through the second step. And after that, you have to paste this link in the search bar of this website. This is going to be the third step. And after that, tap on this create a short link. And when you tap that button, a new link will be generated for you. So for proceeding the third step, you have to press this copy button, which will be displayed under the new link. And you can also tap and hold on the link and you can copy the link from there. So 3 steps have been done. Now let's move towards the final step, which will reveal the location of the person that we want. So for 4th and final step, you have to open the conversation of the person that you want to track the location of. For example, this is the person that I want to track the location of. So just paste the link that you have copied and send to this person. And as soon as that person clicks on that link, then what he will get, he will only see the video which link you had copied. And what you will get, if I open up my browser again and refresh this page, and if I scroll down here and scroll down to the end, here you can see that I have got a click. And here under visitors, you will get exact location of the person who has clicked on the link. You can see his IP, you can see his country, and also if you tap on this more info button available under this accuracy tab, you will get more information about that person, which browser he is using, his IP address, the operating system he is operating on, also his country, city, state, and everything. And you can also see his location on the map as well. So that's how you do it. Now if you want to get the details of a phone number, you can contact me on this Instagram account, but this is going to be a paid task. So do not contact me if you're not ready to pay. But you will get the name, CNIC, and also the exact location of that person that you want to track. But if you only want to see the location, you can use this website. But if you want more info, I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.